Hey everybody, welcome back to my video. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have a little bit of a different video for you, I guess. I mean, it's still a haul video, but it's from a different place. So, I recently found out that in my local area, oh, look at my earrings. Friday, still had those on. So we had our holiday party at work and a little holiday lunch, so I wore some earrings. I don't normally wear earrings because my ears and all my skin is like allergic to different metals, and they give me like weird bumps and like rashes and whatnot, so I don't normally wear it, but I wore them for today and I will take them out and not wear them probably until next year. But back to my story. So I found another place local to me that just opened. She said it's been open for about a month. It's a woman-owned company, very local. They don't have like a bunch of different places as far as I know of. And it's a place called Curvature or Curvature, something like that. It is a thrift store. I thought it was just a thrift store. And they had these bags, just big giant bags for 10 bucks of stuff. And it's the reason why it's called Curvature or something similar to that is because it's a thrift store for only plus size clothing. And so I went in, I picked up my bag that I wanted to buy, and then I started shopping around the store. And I noticed that there was a lot of vintage, there was a lot of more mature brands, and a lot of older stuff, newer stuff, shoes, purses, all of that stuff. And as I was checking out, the girl told me that they also buy stuff. And so I asked her how it worked, and she told me it's basically the same thing as like Plato's, where you bring in your stuff, they go through it, they buy what they want, they give you an offer, and they take your stuff. But it is, like I said, all for just plus size, like 1X and higher, or extra large and higher. And then, yeah, they take all kinds of different brands that those other places don't take. So I think I might try that also in a few weeks. Just gather some things that have been sitting around for a while, things that I don't want to list, and just kind of see what I can get for them. But today, we are going to go through this big bag of stuff and see what I got for 10 bucks. So I have not opened it, so you couldn't look at it at the store. Like this is a brand I'd never heard of. It's called Elizabeth by Liz Claiborne. They had it for sale for $8 in the store. It feels like it's linen. Let me see if I can tell if it is or not. Oh, come on, seriously. Machine one. Oh, it's up here. Yep, it's 100% linen. So it is a long sleeve shirt by Liz Claiborne, or Liz Claiborne off-brand. So I mean, it's not bad. I mean, they were selling it for $8. Let's see, this is a Broom Street. Never heard of that. That is the tag. And it says, ooh la la, Broom Street. Oh, Kate Spade. Size extra large with a nice owl on the front. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I don't know how well that does. I have never really sold any Kate Spade clothing. I've had like a few shoes and whatnot, but that's it. Let's see, how much did they sell that for, or did they have it listed for? Let's see. Oh, no tag on it. Now this is just a Sonoma extra large sweater. They had it at their store for $7.50. And I don't think Sonoma does very well. So they took it the first time, so if I can't sell it here, or I don't think I want to list it, maybe I'll just take it back and get like $1 back for it, or whatever they might give me for it. I say, once I found out that they buy stuff, that was another part of my thought process, is I could just try to sell it back to them for a few bucks. This is just Merona. It's an extra large sweater. They had it listed in their store for $5. And I did ask her if they do these bag sales very often. And they said since they're new, they just opened. They're thinking so far of doing like a big bag sale like this once every quarter. So we'll see. Let's see, this is Coldwater Creek. They had it listed for $7. And it's just a beige sweater. Let's see, what is this? Looks like it's a turtleneck. Oh, Alfani, size extra large. It is this weird big red turtleneck, sort of weird looking sleeves with buttons. I don't know. That thing's weird. It's just shaped weird. I don't know. Woman Within, $7.50 for this is what they had it listed at. Just Woman Within button-up sweater. I was telling you the size, but probably not from now on because this bag was supposed to be all extra, or all 1X or extra large. So if I see anything different, like if I got something smaller by chance, I might mention it, but otherwise everything should be extra large or 1X. This is a Cyrus Woman. They had it listed for $7 in their store, and it's just a plain sweater. Let's see, what is this? Looks like it's a color swatch. Never heard of that brand. Let's see, there isn't a tag, or the size tag is actually missing, but it's just like an open cardigan, kind of sheer with, is it long sleeve or 3/4? Kind of like a 3/4 sleeve. This is a nice little thingy. Pull, you know, I may wear this to work. Part of the reason why I picked it up was like I saw this in here. It was color, but I guess it's not what I thought it was at all. This I think is completely something unbranded from the looks of it. Is it actually is it a swimsuit or is it a shirt? Yeah, it's a shirt, but it is unbranded. It feels very cheap, so I probably will not sell that. This looks like it might be, oh, it's a shirt. I had it wrong. Oh, no boundaries. Just a pink shirt. I probably won't sell that. If anything, like I said, the things I can't sell out of here or I don't want to sell, I will probably try to resell them to them. Like I said, I paid $10 for everything. If I can take it back to them and make like $3, I guess it's even better than nothing. Joe's New York, Signature, nope. This is all full of stains on the front. I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but there's still a lot of dark stains all over the front of that. So that will not be sold either. Here's a pair of jeans. Jordache, skinny, size 18. Definitely standing on the knee and on the front there. So unless I can get that out, and I've never tried selling Jordache, so I don't know if it actually sells or not anymore. So if I get the stain out and it does okay, I'll sell it. If not, I will just toss. Here's another thing. I'm going to keep this for myself. This is an unbranded shirt. Like one of those things you'd get like on Temu or Shein. But it's cute and it will fit me. So that's another reason why I picked this size, is because that is the size that I am currently. And I figured if there was anything in here that was cute, unbranded, or whatnot, I can maybe keep something for myself. Let's see. Because I had sizes from extra large all the way up to like 4X bags. This is another no boundaries. I mean, it's cute. It's, I can see right through it. So, I mean, it might be nice in the springtime with like a white tank top underneath it. So I actually might keep that for myself. I won't sell that. Let's see, Torrid, size 1. They had this listed for $4 in their store. It's different. So that's the front. It's blue, it's sheer. And in the back, it's got like slits. Can't tell, are those buttons or are they? Yeah, there's buttons. So it's buttoned in the back and it's sheer. Again, this would be very cute over a white tank top or a black tank top even maybe. So I may sell that. Another Torrid, size 1. Just a tank top. I have a lot of Torrid to list. So, yuck, these just don't even feel nice. They're Anna, a new approach, jeans, shorts. They are not stylish really at all. No, I probably won't sell those. Let's see, Beauty Rest. Actually, I think this might be pajamas. Beauty Rest is like a brand for like beds, but it says Beauty Rest 1X. It's a tank top, and it looks like there is another piece that goes to it. And these are pajama pants, also 1X. So I will look those up and see. A lot of times pajama sets, no matter if they're a good brand or not, will sell. Okay, what is this? So far, I'm not seeing a tag anywhere, but it doesn't feel like it's like one of those brands that are like on Temu. 100% polyester lining. It has an RN number, so I may look it up because it doesn't feel like a cheapy brand, but I also don't see a brand tag anywhere in there. So I'll try to see if I can figure out what brand this is. Because it's nice. It's a nice shirt. It's lined and whatnot. So Maurice's, size 1. Just a maroon tank top. I don't know if I'll sell that or not. I do like selling Maurice's, and almost everything I list through Maurice's does sell. But that is just really like a plain little tank top, so I don't know if that would really sell very well. Let's see, this is Laura Scott Woman, size 1. They had it listed for $5. I keep saying size 1, even though I told you I was not going to tell you the size anymore. But apparently can't do that. So, I mean, that's cute. We'll look it up. I know a lot of these brands don't sell for a ton, but they do sell. And I am all about buying cheap and selling for a small amount of profit. Let's see. This is a skirt. It is CJ Banks. It is very stretchy waist. It's actually kind of cute. It's got, the sides are like a little bit longer, and they've got this little like detail down there. And believe it or not, CJ Banks actually does pretty good for me. Let's see, what is this? The brand is called Perch by Blue Pepper. Something I have never heard of. And it is, again, kind of like a see-through. It is definitely sheer. And do these actually buttons work, or are they just for detail? No, they're just for detail. So there is the whole back all the way. I don't know if I can show you if you can see it or not, but down the back down there, that whole thing is nothing but buttons. But the buttons do not work. They're just for decoration. Alright, let's see, what's this? It's kind of a lot of stuff in a bag. I'm not mad about it. There's definitely a few things in here I'll sell. I will definitely make my money back. This brand is Rose and Alley. And it is definitely a cute top. Again, if it doesn't sell for very much, I may keep it for myself. Another Torrid. This is actually kind of cute. Got the detail there. It is just like a tank, but it's like a more of a dressy tank. So that will probably be listed pretty soon, so we can see if it can sell for this year. Let's see. This is, what is this? Investments Essentials. Never heard of them. They had it listed for $4. I mean, it's kind of cute. It's yellow. It's got like a rope sort of detail on the neck and on the sleeves. Okay, this is just another Time and True t-shirt. I will not sell that. Terra Sky, another Walmart brand, I believe. There's a t-shirt. I mean, I don't know. Might be okay for lounging around the house, but that's probably about it. Let's see, St. John's Bay. Ooh, hell no. So it would be a cute shirt, but do you see that? It's got a nice big hole in the front. So that's a no. And let's see, this is the last item. This is the last item. This is another CJ Banks. New tags. It retailed for $59. And it is a nice shirt. It's a nice tropical that I will definitely sell. So, what do you guys think? I am not mad about it. It's not the greatest stuff. I got maybe a couple pieces for myself. There is a handful that I will not be selling at all. But I definitely believe I will make my money back. Some of these things I made, actually, I probably won't try to resell that back to them because I don't think they'll take it. But I still do have this pile here to look through. I think I can at least find 4 or 5 things out of here to sell for 15 to 20 bucks. So I think I'm okay with that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you would buy another bag, because they did have another, probably about 10 to 15 bags left. I'm going to go back and get another one, and maybe a little bit bigger size, and kind of just see what I get. So let me know in the comments if you would go get another bag, or if you thought this was something not up your alley, or what you would do. So I'm going to let you guys go. I have dinner upstairs to go making some nachos and some tacos for dinner. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And I know I am not a reseller that does a lot of videos, but this is for me for fun, not for really for anything else other than that. So if you like just watching to see what other resellers pick up, go ahead and subscribe. I do once in a while do some what sold videos, but not very often. I do some what sold shorts. So I will talk to you guys on the next one. Talk to you guys later.